Hey guys, good evening. I am going to show you how to crochet a triple petals. You can use any size of hook and any size of yarn, but I'm going to use this size of hook, 2.75 mm, and a number 3 cotton yarn. We are going to make the foundation of chain 17. You can apply this stitch to any project you're doing, especially for the border. Chain of 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we are going to make a double crochet into the third chain from hook. 1, 2, 3. Make one double crochet and make one double crochet across. I'm just making this as a foundation, okay, so I can show you exactly how to do the triple petals. Okay, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We have 16, but we only need 15, okay? So now I'm going to start doing the petals. First, make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then turn your work, and we are going to make a chain of 7. I am using my finger to mark this, okay, because I'm going to use this for the second step. Okay, make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I am going to insert the hook into that stitch where I mark. Make single crochet there and make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to single crochet into the same stitch and make a chain of 7 and single crochet again into the same stitch and make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are going to skip the 6th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and into the next chain we are going to make single crochet. This is how it looks like. These are the petals. Now we are going to repeat that one more time to show it to you slowly. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am going to mark the last chain, okay, and then make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then into the mark stitch I am going to make one single crochet there and then make a chain of 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then single crochet into the same stitch, and then chain 7, and single crochet into the same stitch again, and make a chain of 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we are going to skip 2 4 6. Okay, skip the 6th chain, and into the next chain make a single crochet. Okay, and this is the triple petals that I'm doing for this tutorial. Okay, these are the triple petals. This 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this is how it looks like, guys. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching, and please share my video.